1, 2, 3, jolly lads all in one mind. We have come here pace hanging, and we hope you'll prove kind. And we hope you'll prove kind. With your eggs and strong beer, we'll come no more nigh you until the next year.
I open door and enter in.
I hope your favor, we shall win.
Stir up the fire and draw some men.
My merry lad shall tell you a tale.
Whether we stand or whether we fall, we'll do our very best, please you all.
So room, brave gallants all.
Pray give us room to rhyme.
We have come to show activity this Merry Christmas time.
Activity of youth and activity of age. The like was never seen before upon such a common stage.
And if you don't believe the words I say,
Step in the Turkish night and clear the way.
step in the Turkish night and clear the way.
In come we, the Turkish knights. Bold Slasher is our name.
From Plummy down to Peaver, the world has known our fame. We come to fight St. George, that man of courage bold.
And if his blood runs hot, we soon shall make it cold. In come we, St. George. From England did we spring.
We fought the Scotch and the French, our wonders to begin.
We'll clip the dragon's wings, he shall not fly. We'll cut him down, or else we'll die. Ha ha ha!
Ah! Who's that who seeks the dragon's blood? So angry and so loud, with my long teeth and scurvy jaw, I shall eat that English dog who holds the floor. Be it a Christian or a Jew, I shall eat his armor, bread, and boiled egg too.
Stay, you noisy dragon! Boss mode, for soon we'll have you dragon on the floor.
Here we are, St. George, those men of courage bold, with a broad sword and spear. We won a crown of gold. We fought the fiery dragon and drove him to the slaughter. Ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. And now I'll woo fair Phoebe, the king of Egypt's daughter. Phoebe, thou art so lovely. What causes thee to look so glum?
Oh dear Saint George, although you have borne me fair this day, I fear my brother Slasher will thee slay. Don't turn your back on him. Show me the man who bids us stand.
We'll cut him down with sword in hand.
Step up, bold Slasher, come this way. St. George is ready for the fray.
In come we, the Turkish knights, the greatest, come from Turkey land to fight.
If St. George is to be our foe,
We'll kill him dead before we go.
Our head is made of iron.
Our body is of steel. Our arms and legs are bearded in brass. No man can make us yield. Pull out your sword and fight.
Pull out your purse and pay, for satisfaction we must have before we leave this day.
No satisfaction shall you get. We do not shrink to hear your threat. Battle to battle, then let's cry.
to see which one shall live or die.
Battle to battle, then let's sound to see which one shall bite the ground.
So guard your body and guard your head, or else our sword shall strike you dead. Float like a butterfly.
Sting like a bee.
Old St. George will fall in three.
Soldiers, attack!
What happened?
It's itching.
Let me take care of that. Ha!
You don't even know how to kill? Ah! Here.
Hey, what happened?
Mosquitoes biting.
Wait, I'll take care of the mosquito. Ah!
Instead of mosquito, you kill me.
Come in, king and queen, the battle is done. We fear Saint George has slain your sons.
It's true we killed you on Turkish night. But first he challenged us to fight.
Oh no, we didn't.
Oh yes, you did.
Is there a doctor who can save my sons from lingering in their graves?
500,000 we would give to someone who can make them live.
Is there a doctor in this ground to cure these noble Turks all of their wounds?
Yes, there are doctors in this ground.
Can cure these noble Turks all of their wounds. For all our medicines are sure.
And that's a sickness we can cure.
Where do you come from? Tell me, please.
Ireland,
Italy, France,
and Spain,
around the world and back again. There is nowhere we haven't been.
and no disease we haven't had or seen.
500,000 we will give. So shut your gulp and make them live.
That will you have no doubt.
We jitters, quitters, fox or cow. Paint within and paint without.
If the devil were in, we'd fetch him out.
Nothing happened. Better to run away or else they'll kill us.
Brothers, doctors.
They ran away.
Don't worry. I know a trick, but not safe. Guardians, please give us your wishes and blessings to bring our dead sons back to life.
Here's our tons of bags of wishes from the audience.
Oh, Father! Oh, Mother, your face I'm glad to see.
I thought that was the end of me.
And now that I have my duty done, I shall return to the dear bride I've won.
We'd not fight for him or any man alive. All we want is to survive. In come we, fat and fine,
Half-starved,
half blind,
ricket back,
broken mind,
one eye out.
another in. So put a coin or two in our tin and we'll go away.
Now
Now it's your turn.
Here's 1, 2, 3 jolly lads all in one mind. We have come here